Well, this is the Maiden voyage with the Sherp windshield fixed. I haven't driven her for probably 3 weeks, somewhere around there, so we'll see how everything works. Look at this video here, and it's going to show you what the ice is like. My ice spud, trying to see how much ice is actually out here on the river. There's been quite a few deer running around here. But as you can kind of see on the other side there, to me it looks like it's open water. In fact, in front too. The Sherp window is put back in. We made it. Oop. Heard a little bit of a crack there. The deer have been hanging out in this area, and I think what they're eating is these needles that are off this tree, and I'm not sure what that is. I think it's a hemlock, but I don't really know yet. I plan to learn a little bit more about that later. But they've been definitely nibbling in here. It's 3 feet deep there.
In the North Woods, it seems like you're moving snow all the time. Had to get that Sherp trailer cleaned off.
That today, but some of the trails that we're going to be going on, we're going to kind of like break trails. I went through a while ago and cleaned out a lot of brush. I'm not sure how good I did. We're going to find out here very shortly. So we will see on the river. My guess is we are not going to go through, but we'll find out. When I stuck that spud down through there, we made it. It's about 3 feet deep right in front. We're going to quickly capture going over this tree here on the right hand side. I don't think anything's going to happen, but you never know. Easy peasy, man. Easy peasy.
Here you can see my boot. My boot is 18 inches tall, and I'm not stepping all the way down. Well, I'm not on the ground. There's still snow down below that. So my guess is there's probably like 24 inches of snow out in the woods. We'll keep going. I'm really curious how much it's, when I was going up and down the hills, I mean, it was sliding a little bit, and these hills are fairly steep. I prefer to stay on top of the ridge versus go down.
There's a deer stand. I wouldn't go on it anymore, but it is there. thought I'd capture this just to give you an idea how it kind of works. And so, in other words, we're going to be stuck here. I'm assuming I was a second ago, and I'm just trying to get this driver's side to turn so I can go that way. Wow. When you do get stuck, you just got to let out a little bit on the one side to get it to start moving, and then you can start to turn again. So again, sometimes this is cool, sometimes it's not. Let's see what happens here. I don't know what's underneath all this. It's probably just nothing. It's just too easy. Here's another big mound of crap. No. Well, that's a bummer. I lost accessory that goes in the bottom of this camera that you used to put onto a tripod, so life is going to become more difficult in terms of recording. That's a bummer. Well, hopefully by the spring I put something up on a tree to help remember where it was when the snow melts. That'll give you an idea as to how much snow we're going through right now. It's hard to show this stuff on the camera, it really is, but that's a pretty cool path. And I think that goes down, I didn't get that cleared yet, but we go down about another 100 yards and then we're at the end of the property. We still might try to go there in the next couple of days, but not today. Look at how high this Sherp is compared to my hips. My hips are right here. And I have to get way the hell up there because of this hole. Kind of funny. Oh. So again, this is kind of virgin territory. Looks like I did go through a little bit with a snowmobile. But man, I love this area. It's absolutely just beautiful. Definitely some hills over here, definitely. So we're coming out of that ice again. I don't know if we're gonna go through or not. We made it. Take a look over there. That's just crazy. Well, definitely a successful trip in my opinion. The Sherp runs good. No unusual noises whatsoever. So we will see. Looks like a deer just walked through here. I don't think I've seen those tracks there before.
And in fact, they walked right down the trail here. Wow. It is so nice to have the window reinstalled into the Sherp. Today is kind of I think it's Thursday actually. It's very warm out. It's like 32 degrees probably, and it keeps snowing on and off. But we lost a lot of snow in the last couple of days. I don't know if I'd come up here yet and go sledding, but we'll see. So we're going to get the Sherp tires all inflated, and I'm going to get this to where I normally store it. Kind of go from there. This is a good example of the current snowmobile trail conditions. I just drove approximately an hour, kind of in the Park Falls, Minocqua, Lake Tomahawk area, and this would have been good. There was a lot of places where there was absolutely no snow on the trail at all, which is unfortunate. I don't believe I've shared this yet. Special thanks to Josh at Sherp USA. All I had to do to take off this window was take off this little clip and pull out that pin, instead of going through all that work to take out these. Very silly. Appreciate the comment, Josh. Coming to an end of this video, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, especially to all those new subscribers. Means a lot. Let me know what you'll think of this video. We're going to be going on another Sherp adventure here fairly soon. It is snowing out a little bit, and the river is slightly unsafe. Not sure. I could go through. That'll be in the next video. Take care, everyone.